Go in the patch. We don't know what's gonna happen.
All right, Vin.
Okay.
All right, go in this patch over here then.
Go
all right, Vin.
fucking lean.
No, he's gonna fall off the edge. Yeah, we're ready.
Don't take a big hit, Vinny.
Ten years later.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's like fucking shitholes.
It tastes like.
Shitholes.
It looks like your eyes go in different directions. Wait, take another hit.
Why are you over there?
Get away from water, it said.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Why are you drooling?
Vin, stop running away.
Wait, let him go. Wait, hold on.
He's gonna trip and
Let
kill
him try to
himself.
walk. Let him try to walk. What? What? I should have done it, man.
Jack, hold me up.
I don't get up. Get up. Come on, hurry.
Don't wait.
Touch
no.
my nimble fingers.
I drew in my head.
All right, what does it feel like, Vin?
Why was I over there?
I don't know, what does it feel like?
It feels like the tip of my fingers are pushing people off.
Pushing people off of what?
Then you burned it all.
Wait, why was I over there?
Because that's where you walk.
You burned it all.
Why was I over there?
Because you walked over there. How long is this supposed to last for?
I don't know, but the way it just made me think was nuts.
You burned it all.
I burned it all because.
He smoked it
Why
all.
are you fucking with me right now?
Fucking hit it.
Oh,
I'm
no.
smoking here.
Hold on. Hold on.
We're holding, Vinny.
No.
Oh God.
Jack.
It's like, that's nothing here.
You should have told me. You wouldn't.
Yeah, maybe I should know.
Hold on. Hold on.
Don't fall backwards.
Whoa, fuck
Yeah,
that.
put a little bit in here. I want to do it.
Yeah, me too.
Hold
Makes me
on,
happy
I'm
and
trying.
excited.
I keep forgetting. Alright, look. In like the last 30 seconds of my life, I thought that you were like somebody that was supposed to help me, and I worked for.
What?
Spin.
For the last 30 seconds of my life, I thought you were someone that was supposed to help me work. What?
Wait, pack this. Or give me it and I'll put some in there.
Yeah, for real.
I forgot where I was for a second just now.
That's what I want to do. I want my mom to come home and see me.
Hold on. Whoa. But I thought you were somebody that was going to help me at work. I thought I worked for the
Disney's gonna help you?
Oh no, I thought I worked for the Disney Channel, and this was fucking.
Put some of that in here right now.
I know.
Right now.
I thought I
Disney
worked
Channel.
for the Disney Channel.
No, out of nowhere for a second, I was like, "There's my cameraman," and then the world was like second.
Ben, I'm seriously anticipating it right now.
I know, for real.
You're anticipating.
Are you still fucked up, Vin?
Hold on, I'm trying to wait for the friggin' double looking to go away.
The double looking?
I want to see some triple looking.
What just happened to me? All right.
You
let me
lay
see.
there, told us you thought she was your film crew, and then you worked for
You
Disney Channel.
drooled. You fucking
Why was I
drooled all
drooling?
over. You were drooling. Like, drool's just coming out of your mouth.
Come on, droolster.
I know, we want to do it.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Putting up for 3 people.
Vinny, you're gonna be fucking
Mangled. Wait, we need someone to. I should just put the.
Just put it on.